Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And this morning I was listening to the United States VHF Marine bands or frequencies. Let me mute this. Stand by. Mike, who works for SDR Play Company, which makes the RSPs, and I'm using my RSP Duo to monitor this. I'm using just a discone antenna. Now, I live in Florida in the Tampa Bay area, so there's quite a bit of marine activity in Tampa Bay and off the coast of Florida in the Gulf of Mexico. So sometimes it gets pretty interesting, especially around holidays where people drink too much and then go out on their boat. Lots of boat accidents, not a lot, but a number of boat accidents around the holidays. So I'm just suggesting that you might, if you live around water where there's a lot of marine activity, boating activity, you might want to listen to this band. Now, this, as I said before, this database, as you can see over here, was generated by Mike. And so Mike generated a bunch of these databases here, and I've generated a bunch. I don't remember how I got these, where you downloaded it, and I'm hoping that Mike will leave a comment here to tell us where I got this and whether he's produced any new ones since these came out. These came out, maybe 8 or 9 months ago. And they've been very helpful. He set all these things up. You can see I go over here. And with your radio, and I'll click on these for you. Well, I'll try. There we go. So there's the major amateur radio bands. And then here's the AirInc bands. If you want to listen to AirInc, aviation. There's some aviation bands or frequencies. Broadcast bands or frequencies. CB, Clear Channel, FRS, GMRS, and then I've made some specific GMRSs out of one of these, and then so on down. So he made, like I said, he made most of these. And it makes it real easy because he typed in all this information about what frequency, what mode, and you can just click on one of these like I did. Now let's go back to the one I was on, which is this one right here. I double click it, and now I'm in the memory scan mode. I just press the scan button, and it scans that database. So I just thought I'd mention that because right now, with this upcoming first of the year, New Year's Day holiday, and the weather, and let me pause this. And the weather in Florida is ideal. It's like in the 80s in the afternoon. So a lot of people are going to be out on their boats this weekend, I'm sure. So it's going to get really active. So take that for what it's worth. And if you enjoyed my show, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do. And have a happy new year. Bye-bye.